Mommy.
A mommy and a baby.
It's a Swiss Army.
Swiss Army.
Swiss Army light.
That's really cool. Wow, that Papa book is
But you don't even know what
incredible.
those things are for.
Can I say
Wow. Ella, can you say thank you to Great Grandma?
Thank you.
Okay, I
God, the thing is getting better with the minute. It's getting clearer.
She can even say thank you.
Baby.
Oh, God.
baby? Yeah, there's the baby.
Oh, did she get a new
Holy
pair of
great.
pants? Oh, the skates,
Yeah,
the
from
jackets.
this.
Thank you. And all I need is papers.
Yeah, it's okay.
Wow, that book is pretty good, Ella.
For Nathan.
Lisa,
Yeah?
want to say hi to Grandma?
Hi, Grandma. Thank you for our Christmas date money. We are going to go see horror movies.
Yeah! I got presents.
That's a present for Nathan.
And there's Astrid.
Whoa.
Wow.
Nice. Right.
Okay, hold on.
Red
Okay?
stripe box.
Just hold on 2 seconds.
Yeah, that's special.
Thanks for your help.